Hey guys, today it's my birthday, and JJ Cuba gave me something, and I have no idea what it is. So this video will be extremely short. I might even upload 2 videos today, or maybe a video tomorrow, but I have no idea. So, RBM Rotel cubing. If you don't get the joke, my logo looks like Rotel. Here's my logo, here's Rotel. So, let's see what's inside. I'm trying to, okay, I'll just put that away. I'm trying to rip it so that I can see what's inside. I'm ripping everything right now. I'm sorry, JJ Cuba. But yeah, here's the card. Oh no, it's damaged. That's sad. So yeah, I'm gonna open this card after the package. So now I'm going to open this. Let's see what it is. I have a feeling it's probably like lube or something, but I'm not sure. Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oh my god! No way! This is... I can't stop laughing right now. You got me a floppy ghost key. I should have gotten him a sale. So if you don't get the joke, well, here's my old intro. Yeah, that's literally my old intro, and I just don't want to see that anymore. Like, when I'm editing this, I'm gonna go through lots of pain. Oh my god, the flashback. I'll probably link down in the description my very first time I opened the floppy ghost cube. So I'm just gonna change the lighting up. So yeah, the camera's a bit weird now. Oh my god. I can't believe he actually got me a floppy ghost cube. Let's see if I can still do the signature logo. Yeah, there we go. There's our signature logo. I really like this logo. I might even bring it back. Or maybe I can just reuse it. But like, look at this. I still know how to do it. Anyways, now we're going to look at our card. And sadly it's damaged, but yeah. To RBM cubing. At the time of writing this, I still haven't received the gem. I mean, COVID really does suck. Yeah, it does. Just imagine that I put a gem in here. Nah, you probably opened it, or the size isn't big enough for a 3x3. You might even know what it is from the size of the package. Well, I had no idea. Well, have a Pogger's redacted birthday and enjoy your day. Well, looks like I'm not allowed to show this because it's some redacted stuff, just like that. Failed attempt to draw your logo. I'm not that great at drawing. Well, I'm probably worse. Oh, enjoy your oh message. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see ya.